This isn't a load of additional cost. Most of the time, this is just using the tool set and the licenses that people have already purchased. You start making recommendations and everyone kind of says, well, it's going to cost me an absolute fortune. Don't you kind of go, no, you've already got it. Yeah. You've just not been shown how to use this stuff. But you haven't got to go and spend thousands of pounds, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of pounds on this technology.
And most businesses only use Outlook, OneDrive, Teams, SharePoint. And when I go and speak to businesses during our working groups, we sit down with users and not only say, oh, did you know you can use AI and automation for this? But actually, we say, you're actually licensed for, I don't know, Viva or Engage, for example, or a little bit of Power BI. You could do this with those tools you already have. We just need to show you how.
I think a good example of an AI agent is one of the things that you, I say you built, it didn't take you long. When we get a new business inquiry that kind of comes into the team, historically what people would do is you'd get a business inquiry that comes in, you'd go and have a look at their LinkedIn, you'd have a look at their webpage, you'd have a look in the news if there was anything relevant to do them, you'd look at company's house, you'd do some research into that business before you make a call. But if you do proper deep due diligence, even just responding to a prospect call could be a couple of hours worth of work. Now that's all, but you've combined that all into an AI agent that the inquiry comes in and it automatically, based on the information that comes through on there, does all of that and sends the salesperson a summary of going, here's all the stuff that you need to know about this business, all neatly compiled in one document. The time saving in that alone is huge.
It's data enrichment. I think just about every company can benefit from data enrichment in that I'd say quite a lot of companies will have a CRM platform where they manage their customer relationships, even just vendor management. Maybe you're looking for a new supplier for something. This bot, if you just put in the company name, the website, and then it provides a HTML report. So it's nice, pretty colours. You can read it very nicely. And for our specific example, it gives our sales guys sales angles, discussion points. So it looks to the customer like we've done a whole lot of research and we actually invested into that business. I mean, we are, obviously.
Giving our secrets away.
Oh, well, But that...
No, it's about being smart with your time. Ultimately.
Being smart with the time, exactly, yeah. So that bot that I've built can actually be tailored to a variety of different clients. So if they